Blackheads are small black skin projections often found on the face, especially on the nose, and sometimes on the back. These black projections form a plaque blocking the sebaceous gland of the skin. They are caused due to excessive production of the sebum, an oily substance from the sebaceous gland that slowly gets hardened when they mix with dead skin and bacteria. The sebum gets exposed to the oxygen from the air and get oxidized and turn black. When they are below the pore opening, they appear as white or yellow bumps, and they don't get oxidized and are called whiteheads. Here are the main causes that lead to the blackheads: stress, hormonal change, inheritance, unclean skin, cosmetics, smoking, alcohol, caffeine. Follow this simple, natural way to clean the pores and remove blackheads using easy available ingredients at your home. Tomato wash. Tomatoes are a great home remedy to remove blackheads. This fruit has natural antiseptic properties that dry up blackheads. Take a small tomato, peel and mash, then apply it over the blackheads before going to bed. Leave overnight and then wash the face with clean water in the morning. Lemon scrub. Lemon is another natural ingredient that is effective in treating blackheads. Squeeze a few drops of lemon juice in a bowl, add salt, and stir the mixture well. Wash face with warm water and apply the mixture on the blackheads. Leave for some 20 minutes and wash face again with warm water. Toothpaste rub. Apply a thin layer of the toothpaste over the blackheads. Leave for 25 minutes and wash face gently with warm water. Repeat this remedy for 2 weeks to be free from blackheads. Honey massage. Honey has antiseptic properties that work wonders for both oily skin and blackheads. Apply honey onto the affected area and wash off with warm water after 15 minutes. Baking soda mask. Prepare a mixture of baking soda and water to make a paste. Apply gently to affected part, allow to dry for a few minutes, and then dry it off with warm water to remove away the oil and dirt that cause blackheads. Egg wash. Raw eggs are effective home remedy to get rid of the blackheads. Beat 1 to 2 egg whites, mix with 1 tablespoon of honey. Apply this mixture over the area of the blackheads. Leave for 30 minutes and wash off with warm water. Cinnamon pack. Prepare a mixture of equal parts of cinnamon powder and lime juice to form a thick paste. Apply the paste to the affected parts and leave on overnight, then wash off with warm water in the morning. I hope you like this video. Please hit the subscribe button and bell icon to our channel to make sure you don't miss the next release video. You can also comment below to give me more suggestions.